Hey everyone! So if you've been here since last year, you probably know that, well, one, I live in New Orleans, and two, that I am currently a member of the Crew of Nix. If you're not familiar, crews are pretty much a social, organization that throw parades. Crew of Nix is one of the bigger ones, and we have our own specialty throws. Some other examples of specialty throws that other crews throw are like the Crew of Zulu, they throw decorated coconuts. Crew of Iris throws sunglasses. And the Crew of Nix, we throw decorated purses. So last year I did, I think, one video where I decorated my purses and I showed you guys what I did. This year I don't think I'm going to do that, but I did want to show how you can make the little glitter transfer things that I made to put onto my purses. It makes it really easy to just whip up a design and then you can peel it off and stick it on your purse, whereas the alternative is trying to do it straight onto the purse, and if you mess up then you have to deal with it. At least with the transfers, if you mess up then you could either wipe it away if it's still wet, or you could just start on another piece of the plastic and then scrap the other design. Anyway, I thought that I would show you guys how you can make those. I'm going to be making glittered ones, but you could also not add glitter if you want to use these for shirts or any article of clothing, really, something that's going to be washed. You could just design it on the plastic, peel it off, and then stick it on a shirt or whatever. But anyway, let's get started. You'll need puffy paint, glitter, plastic sheet protectors or Ziploc bags, a printed out design, and scrap paper. If you're using a printed out design, or even one that you drew yourself, stick that paper into the sheet protector or Ziploc bag. This will keep it in place as you work. I generally try to do the darkest colors first, and then finish with the lighter colors, so for this one, it's the outline first. Use your puffy paint to draw the outline. Ideally, you'd use a color that's similar to the glitter color that you're about to use. Since I'm going to use black glitter, I'd prefer to use a black puffy paint or any kind of dark puffy paint. Unfortunately, I'm running low on a few of my puffy paint colors, and those kind of items, puffy paint, glitter, adhesive, etc., are slim pickings around this time of year near me. Everyone else is decorating for their crews too. Take your outline glitter color and sprinkle that on, covering the puffy paint completely. Dump the excess glitter and tap it off onto your scrap paper, being careful not to tap too hard. The puffy paint is still wet, and especially if you put it on thick, it might start to slide and shift. Gather the extra glitter by folding the paper in half and pour it back into the glitter container. Then fill your next color with puffy paint. I'm doing the red areas. Again, sprinkle with the glitter color of your choice. Dump, tap, and refill that color's glitter. If you find that you're getting more of the previous color glitter falling out still, and you don't want to muddy up the color that you're on, you can simply just pour that into a new container. I generally have one container that's full of all of the excess glitter. Anyway, on to the next color. For me, blue. Fill it in, pour it on, dump, tap, and refill. Then the lightest color. Again, fill, pour, dump, tap, and refill. Then I finished off with the fire. Continue this with any other design that you have. I wanted to do a little UFO, so I sketched one out really quick and then stuck that into the sheet protector and made that one. You can also freehand stuff if you want. You don't need to follow a pre-drawn design. Since I'm doing a space theme, I thought that I'd make a few planets and stars and whatnot. Basically, I just put down some circles, sprinkled glitter randomly. I also made some comets, a few stars, some moons, etc. This stuff can be as easy or hard, as simple or complicated as you want. Then let them dry. Generally, it takes at least overnight, or if your puffy paint is really thick, it might take a few days. Once they're dry, they should easily peel off the plastic. Then all you need to do is glue them onto whatever you're decorating. For me, to glue them onto the purses, I prefer to use E6000. If you're doing these for a shirt or something, first, you probably wouldn't want to use glitter, and you would just want to draw the designs with colorful puffy paint. But anyway, to glue onto a shirt or something, I would just use some type of fabric glue. But yeah, so here's how my decorated space-themed NYX purse turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below. If you want to follow me on any of my social medias, they'll be linked down below. So I'm going to be throwing this along with all of my other purses and beads and other goodies for the Crew of NYX parade, which is Wednesday the 27th of this month. So if you're going to be here in town in New Orleans, make sure to go check out the Crew of NYX parade. It's in the evening time. I forget exactly what time it starts. Maybe like 7 or something. I don't know. I'll have all the information for it like right here. But you should definitely come out. It's a good time. Maybe you can catch one of my purses. But anyway, thank you guys for checking out my video, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much to my patrons for helping me produce this video. If you like my videos and have learned something from them, please consider supporting me on Patreon to help me continue to make them. It's totally optional. I'll still be making videos either way. It just helps me be able to put out better stuff. A link will be down below, or you can just click up here in the corner.